Welcome to Trace at Olde Towne, a master-planned community conveniently located less than 6 miles from downtown Raleigh in a short drive to I-40, Neuse River, and Walnut Creek trails. Experience a lively community with fun outdoor activities at the volleyball court and the outdoor and indoor swimming pools. Gather with neighbors, friends, and family at the state-of-the-art community clubhouse, playground, and dog park. Enjoy nature as you walk or ride your bike through beautiful greenways and walking trails, all just minutes from great shopping, dining, and entertainment. Discover the convenience of this stylish community with 6 collections of 2- and 3-story townhomes, offering the most desirable home features at no extra cost to you. Built by one of the country's most reliable and trusted home builders. Trace at Olde Towne by Lennar. Contact us today to schedule an appointment.